Now this time deserves a huge round of applause for ourselves as well. Please encourage one another and ourselves. Let us proceed further by lighting the lamp and seek the blessings from God. Light is considered the symbol of auspiciousness, prosperity and abundance. दीप ज्योति परम ब्रह्मा दीप ज्योति जनार्दन दीप में हरितु पापम दीप ज्योति नमस्तुते. I request Honorable Chief Guest of Honor, DG CPWD to kindly start the function by lighting the lamp. I request all other on the stage to kindly join in. I call upon Treasurer Mrs. Vannagar to kindly help our guest in lighting the lamp. Thank you so much, all of our guests. Please take your seat. Respected all, as you all know, ours being a welfare organization involved in the welfare activities in different ways. One of them is to provide financial support to the meritorious students from Group C and Group D employees of CPWD. I request our Chief Guest, Madam, to kindly motivate and encourage the students by handing over the checks of scholarship to them. These students are pursuing their professional courses in different fields. I would like to call on stage Vice President Welfare, Mrs. Archana Mishra, to kindly assist our Chief Guest in distribution of the checks of scholarship to the students. I call the names of students: Anjali Sharma, she is pursuing BLS. Sandeep Kumar, BTech Mechanical Engineer second year. Nisha Chaudhary, Nursing second year. Hemant Kumar Yadav, MTech second year. I request Secretary Programming Meena Chandra, Mrs. Meena Chandra, to come up with Pramod Kumar, Samiksha Bansal. Pramod Kumar is pursuing BTech 4th year and Samiksha Bansal, she is pursuing BTech 3rd year. Jyoti Kumari, pursuing BTech 3rd year. Keshav. Now I request Secretary Vocational Training, Mrs. Seema Mahavya, to come up with Gunjan Kumari. Gunjan Kumari, she is pursuing BTech 1st year. Shadi, pursuing BEd's 1st year. Kajal Singh, BTech second year. Arun Singh, BTech Computer Science second year. Thank you so much, ma'am. I request our guest of honor, Shri Durga Shankar Mishra ji, to kindly distribute sewing machines to the girls from CPWD Group C and D employees under our scheme, परिवार की हर बेटी अपने भरोसे. This is a small endeavor to encourage them to be independent and to pursue their passion. I request Vice President Vocational Training, Mrs. Vanna Garg, to come on stage and to assist in handing over the machines to the girls. I call the names of the girls: Usha, Kiran, girls women, Kiran, Mamta, anyone can take it. अगर Mamta, thank you so much, sir. Now, further girls are Geeta, Anjali, Suman, thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Also, our association, under its Women Empowerment Program, provide aid to women in order to make them economically independent and thus help them in the growth of their career. To do the honor, I would request our Director General CPWD to kindly encourage the girl. That is, excuse me, within for 1 second. मशीन के लिए कोई रह गया है क्या? मशीन के लिए सब हो गए मैम? Thank you. Sir, please, I request our DG sir to do the honor and to encourage one girl, Miss Ria Goyal, who is running Vivid Dance and Art Square on her own, and our association is happy to give its assistance by way of check of rupees 11,000 under its Women Empowerment Program. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it is well said that without a solid foundation, you will have trouble in creating anything of value. Our patron members are like those rock-solid foundation whose contribution in the development and growth of our association cannot be measured. We feel immense pleasure and honor to felicitate our patron members, Srimati Sudha Balagupta, and senior member, Srimati Kirti Banwal, who have always been a constant source of support and guidance to the association. I would request Mrs. Seema Mahabhya ma'am to kindly accompany Srimati Sudha Balagupta on stage. Ma'am, you have been associated with this association for a long time and served the association in different positions. With great dedication and commitment, you have played vital role as officiating president of the association, chairperson, souvenir committee, honorary secretary, and joint secretary. You have been a witness of wide-ranging activities of this association. You truly have been a mentor to us and we wish you to continue and inspire us. I request Mrs. Priti Sinha to greet Mrs. Sudha Bala Gupta with a bunch of flowers, shawl and memento. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please escort, ma'am. I request Mrs. Shefali Gupta, Joint Secretary, to escort Mrs. Kirti Banved on stage. Ma'am, you have joined the association in 1982. Please welcome and please encourage, motivate, and it's a gesture of thanks to our senior members and veteran members. I request all of you kindly give a huge round of applause. We really appreciate whatever efforts they have taken for the growth and upliftment of our association. In the various capacities in the association, you have proved a driving force in the strengthening of the association, whether it's been working as Joint Secretary, Treasurer or General Secretary. Your hard work and dedication has always been appreciated. Presently, as a governing body member, your support, guidance and dedication is commendable. Thank you so much, madam, for your outstanding work, guidance. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call all our executive members of the association to come on stage for a group photograph. All the members of our executive committee, all the members, please check your friends also. No one should be left. अरे फोटोग्राफर साहब मैं भी हूँ, एक मिनट. हाँ एक मिनट. Excuse me please. Thank you so much, all the members. Now, I would invite our Director General CPWD, and before that, I will invite our President, Mrs. Priti Sinha. Though it's a little bit late, but a welcome and thank note together will be served a better purpose this time.
आदरणीय श्रीमती माला बैजल जी, आदरणीय श्री दुर्गा शंकर मिश्र जी, सचिव शहरी विकास मंत्रालय, आदरणीय श्री अभय सिन्हा, महानिदेशक केंद्रीय लोक निर्माण विभाग, समस्त अधिकारीगण एवं देवियों और सज्जनों, यह अत्यंत हर्ष का विषय है कि केंद्रीय लोक निर्माण विभाग के 163वें वार्षिक दिवस की पूर्व संध्या पर CPWD ऑफिसर्स वाइफ एसोसिएशन द्वारा आज स्पंदन सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। हमारे लिए ये अत्यंत सौभाग्य की बात है कि इस शुभ अवसर पर हमारे बीच माननीय श्रीमती माला बैजल जी उपस्थित हैं। श्री माला बैजल जी का CPWD ऑफिसर्स 5 की तरफ से हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं। आप अपना बहुमूल्य समय निकाल कर हमारे बीच हमें प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए उपस्थित हुई हैं, इसके लिए मैं आपकी आभारी हूँ। आदरणीय श्री माला बैजल जी एक सुविख्यात समाज सेवी हैं। वह केनरा बैंक के प्रमुख प्रबंधक के पद से निवृत्ति के बाद गरीब बच्चों के उत्थान में सतत कार्यरत हैं। वह इमदाद नामक स्वयंसेवी संस्था एवं रेड क्रॉस सोसाइटी की अध्यक्षा हैं। उनका जीवन व्रत वास्तव में हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। आदरणीय श्री